However, meron po tayong isang resource persons na inimbitahan to speak about yung nangyaring pagpatay sa kanyang asawa sa Davao, no, when the Davao Dumoy raid was implemented, where a warehouse of shabu was discovered. At isa doon sa mga napatay ay yung husband nitong ating resource person sa ngayon, who is allegedly a drug lord. So gusto nating bigyan ng pagkakataon nito nang sa ganon makita natin kung ano ba yung sirkumstansya sa likod ng pagkakakulong nila, no? At pagkakapatay sa kanyang husband. So yes, Congressman Paduano.
Chairman, ano lang po, can I request that before we proceed with Ms. Jed Pilapil, can we discuss first the related doon sa drug quotas that was discussed during the previous hearing? Doon po sa mga police na na-dismiss based on the quota. Kasi kaninang umaga pa po naghintay dito si Vice Commissioner Bernabe at saka yung sa CSC. Nandito ba yung taga Civil Service Commission? Civil Service?
Any representative from Civil Service?
Oh, saan sila? Silang importante. Anyway, Chairman, baka pwede lang natin masingit ngayon, mamaya, no? Kasi si Vice Commissioner Bernabe is already informed at he participated during the last hearing. Ang mahalaga ngayon dito, Mr. Chairman, is yung presence ng CEC because I have with me all the case folder that was also submitted by the CEC to this committee, Mr. Chairman. So we cannot discuss this unless in the presence of the CEC. Kasi may tatanong na ako sa kanila.
Sige,
thank you, Chairman.
For the meantime, na wala pa yung representative ng CSC, can we proceed with the deliberation on, or maybe perhaps the questioning or interpellations to Ms. Jed Pilapil C. We are in receipt of an affidavit signed by Jed Pilapil C. Affidavit mo ba ito, Jed? Ito?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ikaw ba ang pumirma dito?
Opo, Your Honor.
May kasama kang abogado nung gumagawa ka ba nitong affidavit na ito?
Opo.
At ito ay